So one of the things that's unique in Inventor rather than AutoCAD about having done either a polar array or a rectangular array is how we edit them and delete them. Okay? I can't just go in here and grab my objects and hit the delete button and throw them away. It will not let me do that. I can't even go in here and grab one and delete it and throw it away. What you have to do is you have to highlight the array, right click, and now you can see that you have down here in the center both a delete pattern and an edit pattern. Okay, let's hit the edit pattern. Go up here, we'll change this to 6, okay, and go OK. Then I'm going to hit escape a couple times. I'm going to go in here and right click, and notice that I don't have the ability to re-edit the pattern. You only get one shot at it. So if you have picked the wrong edit, you have to go back and go to return, or not return, but undo. Go back to undo, and then you have access to it again. And so here I can edit the pattern again. I could go 5 this time instead of 6. Okay, hit escape. Okay, I can go highlight this again, right click, and again I do not have the ability to edit the pattern other than when you're in it. So back up again, and we'll grab it, right click, and now this time this time I'm just going to delete it. Okay, and notice what happens. It always leaves the original. It deletes the pattern but leaves the original. Okay, same thing happens in a rectangular. If I go over here, right click, and oh, you're not even going to let me do that, huh? Okay, you knothead. Okay, and look at that. It's not going to allow me to edit my program. Let's see what happens when I back up here. Let's take this, right click. Now look at that. I do have my edit program here. So I'm going to go 2 by 3, and let's change this to 50, and change that to 50, and go OK. And there we go. As you can see what I've done, grab it and go. Notice I cannot even hit delete. I don't have an option to delete. Do not have an option to delete. Okay, so I'm going to have to hit undo. Okay, now if I grab it, let's see if I can delete that pattern. Great. What happens if I go back over to this pattern and I don't have it? It's really, I'm not quite sure what's going on here, but it doesn't like what I'm doing. So just be aware that you'll have to hit an undo, grab it all, and then you're going to get one shot at deleting the pattern. And there we go. We're back to the originals. Okay. Hope that helps a little bit. It's not quite as intuitive as I'd like it to be. I'm thinking that it may be less of an issue because usually we don't have multiple patterns on the same plane. So